The spare tire in a 2013-2019 Cadillac XTS is located in the trunk, beneath the carpeted floor panel. Lift the floor carpet to reveal a circular cover. Use your ignition key to unlock this cover. Turn the hoist counterclockwise using the lug wrench to lower the spare tire. Once lowered completely, pull the tire out. The jack and tools, including the lug wrench, jack handle extension, and wheel wedges, are stored in a foam-lined compartment on the right side of the trunk, behind the side panel trim. Ensure you have all these components before proceeding. First, park on a level surface, engage the parking brake, turn on your hazard lights, and place wheel wedges behind the wheels opposite the flat. Use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire, turning counterclockwise. Do not remove them completely yet. Position the jack under the designated jack points on the frame rails, indicated by arrows on the body. Raise the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground. Fully remove the lug nuts and pull off the flat tire. Mount the spare tire, hand tighten the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle and fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern for even torque, typically 100 to 140 foot-pounds. Stow the jack and tools, secure the flat tire in the trunk. Drive cautiously to a service center, as the spare is for temporary use only. Remember to check and reset the TPMS if your XTS is equipped with it.